So, my name is Marja. I'm coming from Finland, where I was born, and actually now I'm living since 30 years in France. I was graduated 25 years ago from the Charleville Puppet Academy, and since I work mostly with my own company, Théâtre des Luciens. The workshop I propose for families and for all people, it's about jellyfish. I'm very concerned about the plastic waste in the oceans, and usually when I'm working on this project, I collect all my own plastic waste and try to transform them to puppets. These puppets will be in the same time shadow puppets, stick puppets, and eventually water puppets. You are mostly welcome to join our workshop the 25th of May in Lize Puppet Art Colony.